investigating, and he went door to door and found some CCTV footage. And look what we found, you guys. Oh my gosh. This guy, see him? He walks through the parking lot. He looks around and up to the porta potty and slips inside. He's in there for exactly 4 minutes and 37 seconds. And then smoke. After the explosion, the footage shows a white SUV pulling out, then driving away from the scene. The way it's timed, it looks like a getaway car, right? I was thinking, was someone in on it? Did they set this up?